In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Messenger chat head on Android. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. So first of all, on your Android phone, just open Messenger on, as you can see here is Messenger, and then after that in this bottom right corner tap on three-line menu, and after that tap on settings here and swipe up for bubble. As you can see here is bubble, currently turn it off, so tap on, and here is three different options. First option is all conversation can be can bubble, so it will open as a bubble when you receive any contact message. And second option is selected conversations can bubble. It's only for when you select any contact, then it will can be bubble. So I'm selecting all options, then go back, and after that as you can see here is showing all conversations. That mean when you receive any message from anyone, then it will be open as a chat bubble or chat head. So yeah, pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next